The View Linked Notifications feature lets you send push notifications that take users to a specific screen in your app when they tap on the notification. If this feature is enabled, users will be directed to the relevant screen upon tapping. Use push templates to create these notifications. If this feature is not enabled, users will be redirected to the home page of the app when they tap on the notification. Only use this if you want the user to be redirected to a specific screen. Once you enable this feature, you can see push profile templates. Push templates are created in the CMS. As a content manager, your job is to select the most relevant template for your notification. Each template includes a heading, description, blue screen icon indicating which view will open, and a green content icon showing which content will be displayed in the view. Simply select the appropriate template and click Use to send push notification. Then select the content row. These are the information that will show up once app user clicks on the push notification. Then click on the Notify User button on the top. The user will receive a notification on their phone, and when they tap on it, they will be redirected to the correct screen. Using push notifications, you can enhance user engagement, provide real-time updates, and improve the overall user experience by keeping users informed and connected with your application.